Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss the next question of our agriculture optional answer writing practice series. And question for today is discuss the guidelines for planning and organization of seed production programs. So here we have to discuss various guidelines or various things which we need to keep in mind while we are planning and organizing some seed production programs. And this question was asked in last year's agriculture optional paper of UPSC Civil Services examination, that is in 2024. And we will see how we can approach this answer. So in introduction, we can write why we need these seed production programs, because we need these seed production programs to produce, or you can say an aspect of ensuring the availability of high quality seeds. So these seed production programs are needed to ensure that we have we have availability of high quality seeds for agriculture. High quality seeds for agriculture, or in simple language you can say that in seed production programs our main aim is to produce high quality seeds. So what are the guidelines which we need to keep in mind? So first of all, we have to uh, select the seed varieties. Selection of seed varieties, it is the first thing. So here we keep in mind that the seed varieties which are we are selecting are good in quality, and its suitability is nice. It is suitable for the purpose we are doing the seed seed production program. That is, it should be high yielding. It should be pest. It could be pest and disease resistance. So these are the some of the. It could be climate adaptation. Its climate adaptation should be high. So these are the things which we should keep in mind. Secondly, while selecting the seed varieties, we will see the source of foundation seed, because obviously we will produce from a foundation seed only. Source of foundation seed. So the source of our foundation should be very reliable. Okay, we should bring these foundation seeds from reliable vendors or reliable institutes, so that our seed is overall very good. Okay. Secondly, while establishing the seed production units, we have to second process is to establish seed production units. So while establishing, we will keep in mind that the site selection is proper. Site selection, the site we are selecting is having good soil fertility. Here the soil fertility is good or high soil fertility. Here the distance is proper, the space is proper, so that our isolation requirement is fulfilled. Okay. Secondly, while land preparation, we have to keep some things in mind. Land preparation, we will see that our land is properly tilled. Tillage should be proper. Okay. We will see that the soil testing is proper. Soil testing is proper. We will see that optimum amount of fertilizers are applied. The irrigation channels are proper. So these are the things we should keep in mind while establishing our seed production units. Next, we have to follow certain guidelines while in various seed production stages. Okay. Seed production stages, in various seed production stages we have to follow some things. For example, pre-production stage, we will see that we are selecting good parent plants. Our parent plants are very good. Secondly, we will see that the seeds which are growing or which we need to grow are nicely suitable for the plot we are using. That is, the site should be supporting this parent or the seed, because sometimes what happens, some plot do not have certain amount of quality for a certain seed. So we have to keep this in mind. So this is the things which we have to keep in mind while pre-production stage. In seed multiplication stage, we will see that the foundation seed which we are using is of good quality, which I just discussed before. Okay, we will see that the isolation distance is well maintained as per the variety, so that there are not some kind of mixtures or anything which is added to the seed and reduces its quality. So these things should keep in mind in various stages. We have to keep various things in mind during seed treatment and protection stage. Seed protection and treatment, we will keep in mind that we have done proper pre-sowing seed treatment, that is before sowing seed treatment should be done nicely. Okay, and obviously we will keep in mind pest and disease control. Okay, here we can go for integrated pest and disease management, integrated pest management and integrated disease management. This is very helpful, so these are the things we could keep in mind. Next stage is harvesting. While harvesting, we will keep in mind that we are harvesting the seeds at the proper time, that is timely harvesting is very important. Here we will see that the seeds are fully matured, then we will harvest. If we harvest too early or too late, it will affect the quality of seeds. Secondly, our handling should be proper, cleaning should be proper, so that all these things avoid any kind of mixtures which can contaminate the seed. So these are the things we should keep in mind while harvesting. Next, there are certain post harvest management processes we have to do properly. So post harvest, we see that we are drying our seeds properly, because for storage of seeds there should be certain amount of moisture level. Okay, generally most of the seeds are good at moisture level 8 to 10%. So drying is very important. Storage at proper locations is very important, especially the storage area is cool, dry, well ventilated, free from disease and pests, free from rodents. And the bags in which you are storing should be properly sealed. Generally we use jute bags. So all these things can be taken in mind. Seed testing should be proper. After harvesting, seed testing should be done, that the germination tests should be done about of seeds, that seeds are properly germinating or not. Moisture tests should be done. We have to test for purity. So all these things can be tested nicely, so that there is no problem while getting certification, so that certification is easy. So post harvest we have to see these things. Next, we have to maintain proper quality. So quality control and certification is another major aspect. Quality control and certification, we will adhere to the standards. We will see that the seeds we have produced are of proper standards or not. We will inspect our seeds, and we will also do inspection in field also while the seed is growing, so that it is of good quality. And at last we will get the proper certification of the proper agencies, proper government institution which is required. Next, we'll keep in mind while marketing and distribution, we will keep in mind that our packaging is proper, so that it is accepted in the market. The transport should be proper. The distribution channels should be proper, so that it reaches the local shops, it reaches to farmer cooperatives, it reaches to government distribution agents, so that there is no problem here. Next, we will have a proper record keeping and monitoring of our everything we do. Proper record keeping and monitoring, it is very important to produce good quality seeds. Training and capacity building of our staffs is very important in seed production programs. Training and capacity building. Okay, here we will not only train our staffs, but we will also train the farmers to whom we are providing the seeds. We will give any kind of technical support to the farmer, so that they do not feel any problem while growing our seeds. Next, we will keep in our mind the sustainability considerations. The seeds we have produced are sustainable, that is it doesn't affect the soil health of the farmer. It is nice, suited for crop rotations. It has reduced environmental impacts, that is it doesn't require a huge amount of water or huge amount of fertilizers. So these things in the present scenario is very important to keep in mind. and all these things will lead to a very good seed program, or you can say seed planning and organization for seed production. And I think 10 or 11 points will be enough for the answer, and then you will conclude. So in the conclusion, you can write about how a well-organized seed production program can be very efficient in our agricultural economy, and it requires very careful planning, efficient management, rigorous quality control at every stage, so that we can get the best lot of the seeds. So this is how you can conclude. That is up to you. You can conclude by other statements also, but try to be positive and try to be very optimistic about your conclusion. So that is all for today. I hope you understand all the things. So this was a particularly easy question. I think by simple knowledge you would have tried to answer this. But now after this answer, seeing how to approach it, you can write a very better answer of it. So if you like it, please press the like button. Please do share and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to make such videos for you on regular basis. And if you like, if you share, if you subscribe, it motivates us to make more such videos for you regularly. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.